So this is the Sunny Health and Fitness Air Glider. So my mom does it every day because it provides an aerobic workout. So it's sort of like you're stretching, walking, and running all at the same time, but it doesn't create any damaging impacts on your body. Also, my mom likes to do it every single day to stay fit, and it is really small, so you can put it in a corner. Not anything?
This is very helpful, and we have to stay in the healthy and fitness. This called air walk trainer. This provide aerobic exercise. This is good for each person, and I think every day we should do some exercise. And this is like very light and it's not hard. Everybody can do this simple exercise. Personally for me, I do every day whenever I'm free. I do this one, so it's really help for me, keeping me healthy and losing my extra weight and keep it fitness. This machine is very small, so it fit anywhere and whenever like people comes our home. This is in our living room, but we can move this one very easily. We can fold and keep away for time being. So I think this is perfect for every person, and we have to maintain ourselves and stay healthy. Thank you. Now I will show you few steps of exercise what I do every day. I try to share with you, so let's do. Here everybody, we have like very tight schedule, so I try to maintain every morning like 5 to 10 minutes. I do this for biceps, for my hands, and this is like basic exercise I do. This is each has like 5 pounds, and then I do this one. It's like some kind of stretch. This is very helpful for the body. I do minimum stretching. This is very helpful for your body. We have to keep healthy for living. Then I try to do some side stretch. This is side stretch. And I do some high kicks. This is very good for your abs. Any man or woman